Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're holding Shiba Inu, SHIB, in your Trust wallet and want to move it to your Ledger Nano X for better security, you're in the right place. This guide is straightforward and up-to-date for 2025, but always double-check for any platform updates. Let's dive in and get your tokens transferred safely. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone with your SHIB tokens, and your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected to your computer via USB. Also, ensure you have the Ethereum app installed on your Ledger since SHIB is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the SHIB token in your wallet. Tap on it to view your balance. Now, hit the Send button to initiate the transfer. Step 2. In the send screen, you'll need the recipient address. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Ethereum app on it. On your computer, use Ledger Live to go to the Accounts section, select your Ethereum account, and copy the address. Paste this address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Step 3. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send. Remember to leave some ETH for gas fees, as this transaction uses the Ethereum network. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, it's crucial for security. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm. Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction on your device. On your Ledger, you'll see a confirmation screen. Carefully verify the details and press the right button to approve. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to see your SHIB tokens added to your account. A few quick tips. Always use a secure connection, never share your seed phrases, and start with a small amount if you're new to this. If you run into issues, Ledger support or community forums can help. There you have it. Your SHIB is now safer on your Ledger Nano X. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.